To add an AI narrator to your video, simply go to VideoGen.io, and after creating an account, go to Generate a Video, and click this up arrow button to upload your video into VideoGen. After your video is uploaded, you can either write an idea for your script and VideoGen will generate your entire script for you, or you can go to the bottom here and start with the blank project. On this next screen, you can paste in your script if you already made it for your video, and right above the script you'll see a name, Matilda. That's where you can click in and choose which AI narrator you want for your video.
Welcome to the future of video.
Welcome to the future.
Welcome to the future.
Welcome to the future of video.
Welcome to the future of video.
So I'm going to go ahead and use Winston here by clicking on him, and once you're satisfied with your script, you can go ahead and click Generate Video. Next screen is the video editor screen. You can see your uploaded video along with a bunch of other assets that VideoGen automatically added. If you just want to use your video that you uploaded, you can simply click on any of them and click delete. You can then preview your full video with the AI narrator by clicking the play button.
Big news. VideoGen is officially open. Come celebrate the grand opening of our brand new shoe store.
If you want to make any changes to the AI narrator, you can simply click on the name right above the bottom track, and you can choose a different AI narrator. You can also go to the advanced options and write in any pronunciation replacements if you didn't like the way the AI narrator said something. You can also go to the lifelike voice options and change how close the AI narrator is to the voice that it was trained on, and you can play around with some of these options until you get the result that you desire. VideoGen has a ton of other editing features, such as translating your project to other languages. You can add captions, you can add music. That's all copyright free. But for the sake of just adding an AI narrator, I think we're done with this video. And whenever you're satisfied and finished, you can go to the top right and click Share, and then click Export Video. And that will bring you to this new screen where you can wait for your video to export, and from here you can either create a public view link so that you can share it with anyone you want to see the video, or you can download it straight to your device.